Hi everyone. Okay, today we learn about Chapter 2 of the textbook. Chapter 2, it includes the production of speech sound, articulators, vowel and consonant, and English short vowels. Learning objectives are 1. Identify the articulator with 90% accuracy. 2. Identify the differences between vowels and consonants by explaining in their words. 3. Demonstrate to locate and pronounce cardinal vowels in a four-sided figure. And 4. Demonstrate to locate and pronounce English short vowels in a four-sided figure. First, let's try a quiz. Quiz 1. What kind of sound do you hear now? Now I'm talking to you, and what kind of sound do you hear? Like what, kind, k, d, v, or something. Second quiz. Are you using any instrument to change the sounds now you're hearing? Yes? No? Quiz 3. What am I using to make the sound while I'm speaking? Then how do you change the sounds when you speak? We use articulators. They are different parts of the vocal tract. We use this articulator to change the sound when you speak. This is a face from the side, and air comes from our lungs, coming up through larynx and going up to pharynx. Let's check one by one. First, this pharynx. Oh, sorry, cannot see. It says the top end is divided into two. So this way, the back of the oral cavity and the beginning of the way through the nasal cavity. And next one is soft palate. It is also called velum. When you speak, it is raised so that air cannot escape through the nose. And using around here, soft palate, you can make the sound k or g. They are called vowel consonant. Next, let's check this. Hard palate. Hard palate, you can touch by your tongue here, the roof of the mouth, and you can make the sound y in yes, like parallel consonant. Then let's check next one, alveolar ridge. Alveolar ridge is between the top front teeth and the hard palate here. Actually, it's a little bit rough part, and you can make the sound t, d, n. They are called alveolar consonant here. Next one is, yes, you can see here and there. Their teeth, upper teeth and lower teeth. The sound th or th can be made at here, dental consonant. And also their lips, upper lip and lower lip. The sound p or b are made here by labial consonant. Or you can use the teeth, upper teeth and lower lip, like f or v sounds, they are labiodental consonant. Also, we have other part like sound m or n. They use this nasal cavity, nasal consonant. We use this nose cavity inside here. Also, it's important we use jaw up and downs when you speak. We cannot touch something or we don't do anything but just open, close to change the sound. They are articulators and one more left. In the middle, it's tongue. Yes, this part is like this. That doesn't show. Okay, it's from root, backside, front side, and blade and tip of the tongue. We move the tongue and change the position and height, and we change the sound. Those are articulators. And exercise. Please fill in the blanks in the worksheet. Please name of the articulators and put the sounds made at the articulators. And we have time for the exercise here, and student will work on the worksheet. Worksheet is the cannot see, sorry. Worksheet, it's in the same file in the lesson plan. Okay, let's go on next. After they fill up the worksheet and we check the answer. And next one, quiz. What are vowels? Like a, or something. What else you know? Okay, then what are consonants? Maybe you know some. How about what are differences between vowels and consonant? Can you tell something? Okay, then vowels are typically a, e, o, and u. Those sounds in which there is no obstruction to the flow of air as it passes from the larynx to the lips. When you say nothing bother, and you can see inside your mouth. How about consonant like t, b, p, f, s, or some more? The sounds in which there is obstruction to the flow of the air. And then how about when you say hey or is there obstruction? How about whoa? Is there obstruction? Okay, then we have to take the notes of this. Different languages have different ways of dividing their sounds into vowels and consonant. So we cannot say this is vowel or this is consonant for all language. For example, r, maybe we think it's consonant in English, even in Japanese, but in Mandarin Chinese, r is their vowels. Vowels and consonants have different distributions of the sound. For example, the position, is that the beginning of words or the ending of the words? Or context, what sounds comes next? So vowels or consonants have difference in distributions of the sound. Exercise. Please say E. Next, please say A. What differs? How about your tongue? The shape and position of the tongue, and I will explain the height and the position, and it's using the tongue, but the height is different. Where is the height point, highest point? Here. And I can explain close, close or open. And next I can say ooh and ah. using the back side of the position. Now here it's front side, but when you say around here, back side will be highest. Then cardinal vowels. This shape is showing inside your mouth. This side is front of the tongue, central part of your tongue, and back side of your tongue. And this is high to low. If tongue going up high, meaning the cavity is closed. E to your oral cavity will be open. So this should look like this. And now here we will listen to the track 12 of the CD2. It shows each cardinal vowels. So students practice with this sound and consider the position of their tongue. Then next, please write a symbol of the cardinal vowels in the worksheet. Here again, the worksheet, exercise 2. And then we move on English short vowels. Think of the words with the vowels. I, E, O, U. For example, I in pit, fish. E in Batman, yes. A in Batman, yes. O in cut, rush. O in pot, gone, frost. Or U in put, pull, push. Then now here, where is the position of your tongue? You can say beat, pin, fish. Where is the position of your tongue when you say E? Vowel. Here, it's in your textbook, but E position is around here, closer to the front, and the cavity is closer here. Or how about E? Like this. Let's listen to the audio unit 2, missing T, unit 2, exercise 3 of your CD1. And we practice listening and saying the word together. And also we can add one more, sure. Is added in the center here. Oh, sound, common sound in English. It can be around here in the center. Then exercise. Write down the symbol of the English short vowels. And student will work on the exercise on the worksheet again. Then after they're done, wrap up part. Tell your partners name of the articulators, the differences between vowels and consonant, the sound of each vowel in the four-sided figure. Then student will talk with their partners and check what they learn in this lesson. And this is your homework. Audio needs to exercise. Listen to the CD and work on the audio exercises. And one more, record your pronunciation of each vowel by voice thread and submit it online so that the instructor can check their pronunciation is correct, and also the instructor corrects the worksheet and we can check the assignment in the worksheet. Instructor can check their understanding is good, and instructor listen the voice read by student and they can check the recording of the pronunciation. Okay, this is it. That's all for the lesson. Thank you for watching.